The sun-drenched landscape unveils an extraordinary sight, rows upon rows of banana trees, each laden with an unbelievable bounty of bright yellow fruit. But before I tell you more, hit like and subscribe. This could very well be the famed Kluai Na Chong, also known as the elephant tusk banana, renowned for its impressively large bunches. Imagine the sweet, tropical aroma filling the air as these clusters ripen under the warm sun, a testament to the fertile lands of this region. Despite this marvelous harvest, no one bothers to share it. Follow for more.